So just to recap, I got down to the wheel bearing, actually down to taking the rotor off. Froze to the hub, the wheel bearing. So I had to pull the hub and the rotor together, put the new hub on, and then I went ahead and got a new rotor, just because from where I tried knocking this off with the sledgehammer, kind of marked it up, and I was concerned that that would be an issue and you'd be able to feel it in the brake pedal. So I went ahead and got a new rotor. I'm going to go ahead and put that on right now. Here's the new hub installed. Alright, so now, new rotor, put it all back together, go see if it's any better. It's always a good idea to spray these down with brake clean to get off the oils that are left on it, to keep it from rusting.
Be careful.
So normally, when I buy new rotors, I do pads at the same time. I was in a pinch and I had to go get this so I could put the truck back together. I'm going to order a new rotor for the other side and new pads. Rock Auto is where I usually buy my auto parts. They're inexpensive, high quality, and they ship quickly. So unless I'm in a pinch, I go with Rock Auto. Alright, the hub wheel bearing assembly has been installed. We've got a new rotor. Because we were messing with the brakes, I'm going to start the truck, pump the brakes a little bit, make sure I've got good pressure, and we're going to get down the road and see if there's any noise coming from that bearing. So far sounds good. I think we may have fixed it. Well, thanks everybody for hanging out with me on this journey. It seems that every time I try to do something it never works out smooth, but that's good. It shows you that with perseverance you can overcome, and just stay patient. Thanks again. Hope you guys have a good day. I'll see you next time.